Welcome to our quick tour of the wireless N300 Easy Setup Router. Let's dive into what's inside this nifty device. First up, we have the router itself, which features a sleek, compact design that's perfect for any home or office setup. Inside you'll find powerful antennas that ensure strong and reliable Wi-Fi coverage throughout your space. Next, we have the Ethernet ports on the back. These allow you to connect wired devices directly to the router for a stable and fast internet connection. You'll find 4 LAN ports and 1 WAN port for seamless connectivity. Inside, the internal processor is the heart of the router, handling all your data traffic efficiently to ensure smooth performance. This device also comes with advanced security features to protect your network from potential threats. Included in the package, you'll also find an adapter cable. This essential accessory helps you connect your devices directly to the router, ensuring a stable and fast internet connection. We've also included an Ethernet cable in the box. This ensures that you have everything you need to set up a wired connection right away. Don't forget about the easy setup feature with the quick start guide and user-friendly interface. Getting your network up and running is a breeze. That's it for our overview. For more details, stay tuned to our channel and check out the full review. Thanks for watching.